Hi guys, this is Bailey from Iceboxauto, just showing off one of today's installations, which is on a BMW Z4. This unit fits cars that either have the original screen, which is the, I think it's the CCC menu or the CIC menu, depending on the year of car, or it fits cars that don't have the screen at all. In cases where it doesn't have the screen, you actually have to fit a aftermarket controller for the as in like the iDrive for it, pretty much. So on cars that have the screen, they already have it, but on cars that don't, you have to basically fit an aftermarket control scheme for it. It is also touchscreen, so I can operate it with that, but for the purpose of the video I can keep my hands away from it. Now, because this didn't have a screen in originally, when you go back to the original display, it doesn't show anything but a clock. Because obviously there's nothing for it to display. Now, the system is a full Android unit, which means it's able to, you're able to basically access the internet on it, install applications to it. You do that through the Google Play Store, or if you're capable, you can put USB pens in with APK files and download them from the file manager. But yeah, the system itself is pretty swift and responsive. If you swipe down from the top of the screen, you can switch internet on. It works like a phone basically, so once it's got internet, obviously any application that needs internet will work. Navigation will just boot up Google Maps. Now, it's paired to the internet in our office, but obviously if you were driving, you'd either have to put like a mobile hotspot to it, or put a SIM card into it, and if you do that, anything that needs internet will start working. But yeah, Google Maps just works exactly how you'd expect it. And then you just swipe up to close stuff. So let me just close all this stuff here that we've had open. Just press clear all. Music, that is USB music. So if you have a load of MP3 files on a pen drive, you're able to basically just plug that in and access it from here. So it comes with a couple songs basically already installed on it, which are pretty much so we can test the audio when we do it. This just changes the colour of the screen, so now it's red, back to blue, and then that one there is like yellow. The blue looks the best, I reckon. Telephone, so there's two Bluetooths on this device really, so you have the Android operating system's Bluetooth, which is if you want to use the Android side of the system, you can just Bluetooth directly to it and play your Bluetooth music and stuff as if it was just an ordinary Bluetooth device. Dashboard, this is just a dashboard basically, so give it a little rev. There we go. But yeah, it's just a dashboard basically, can't really go wrong. Settings, there's tons of them, so you have your system settings, your navigation settings, audio, language, time, your Android settings, which are like, if you've got an Android phone, basically your phone settings, and then factory, which is just your factory settings. The system information's all here, so in here you've got your MCU version, you've got your storage. So this one is the, I think it's the Qualcomm 8-core processor, and then it's got 8 gigabytes of RAM and then 256 gig of storage, which is quite a lot, but it's, yeah, some people like to have a lot of RAM installed, as well as a lot of storage space. And yeah, the HD video is the same as the songs, but for films, so that'll work. And then, oh, what am I doing? Just close that again. And then if we go back to apps, so in here you've got things like your Google Maps, you've got Google Chrome, Google, so these are just two browsers, don't know why they put both of them on it, but ES Superfile is like your file manager, so if I tap into that there, you have your basically a full file manager system. So you've got your internal storage, which is pretty much just any of the files that are already built into it. So about 7 gigabytes is used just by the default files on it. And then obviously if you were to plug like a USB in, they'd show up underneath this as like USB 1, USB 2. And yeah, you've got all sorts of stuff in here pretty much. Going back. Weather, just a weather application. Yep, not really much to talk about on that one. APK installer, that's just a an APK file installer, so if you do put a pen drive in with an APK file, you can install it from there. I'm not too sure what feedback is. Oh, it's probably for the factory if they ever need the what was that? The Android version number and the MCU CAN bus files sent over. Manual, it's alright, it's not great, but it does come with like a user guide pretty much. That, and it will show you some of the settings and so on. DabZ, I don't believe we've installed DAB today, but the unit does come with it installed, so if you do put a DAB antenna in, the application's already there, and then once you basically plug it into the USB and stick it onto your windscreen or connect it to the original antenna, it'll start working. Z-Link, now this is your CarPlay or your Android Auto. It does also do mirroring, but it's not very good. But yeah, you can have a look at that anyway. And then GPS test, it's just the GPS tester. So the unit comes with a GPS antenna. So once you've got it paired up, yeah, you can start seeing how many satellites are in your area and how good your GPS is. And then iGo is just a Chinese map that they basically put on it to test the GPS as well. But obviously, prefer to use Google Maps if you can. But these are offline, so it uses your GPS to figure out where you are. Whereas some maps prefer to use the internet. But yeah, the GPS maps are on it. But yeah, I'll just turn the screen off. Yeah, you can turn the screen off as well, so if you don't want the screen on, all you do is you swipe down, and then press that little icon there. And yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest. Not really much else I can show you. The main thing is just messing around with it more than anything. But yeah, if you've got any questions about the unit or you want to get in touch, give us a shout. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.